Once again, we are following the threat for severe weather in West Michigan. And once it moves through, we could expect big changes away from the heat and humidity over the past few days. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons joins us now with a look at when the potential for storms could arrive.
Should be fairly quiet this evening, but the risk of severe weather starts to go up after about 9 p.m. tonight during the overnight hours. Let's take a look at where the area of concern is right now. From Chicago down to St. Louis, there is a mesoscale outlook that says there might be a chance of a watch in the next hour or two in those areas. That does not include southwest lower Michigan. The broader scale is the severe weather risk. We're 2 out of 5. We're in a slight risk area, and it incorporates all of our viewing area, with the highest risk, which is still second lowest on the chart, for damaging wind. There is a lower risk for hail, just a broad brush over most of lower Michigan. Highest risk will be down in Oklahoma, and there is not a zero risk for tornado this evening, but it's very, very low, lowest on the scale. That is between US 10 and I-96. Just be aware later on tonight. As you mentioned, we'll drop out of the heat and humidity overnight tonight. We'll stay in the mid-60s in the morning, but only climb into the low 70s as we see mostly cloudy and much lower humidity conditions moving in here during the day tomorrow. We'll take a closer look at the timeline when those storms will come and go in your community in just a few minutes. As we wrap up May and the season of meteorological spring, it certainly has felt like summer, but we're going to see a big change. Not ahead of that, maybe some strong storms. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for showers, maybe some stronger storms later on tonight. It's also blue. Cooler and less humid weather in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. How warm did it get in your community? Mid and upper 80s, 91 the hot spot in Kalamazoo. We made 87 here in Grand Rapids, within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've done that 4 days in a row within 3 degrees. We're going to end up warmer and wetter than a typical May, and a lot cloudier than usual, and the spring May being our cloudiest season on record. In other words, we've got another cold front coming on through that's brought some cloud cover to our area, but nonetheless really has just diminished our chances for severe weather just a little bit. They trimmed it back from central lower Michigan to southwest lower Michigan. 2 out of 5. The main threat will come from damaging thunderstorm winds. Models trying to show some showers already, nothing showing up on the radar. We're going to see more pop up though later on tonight. This is 11 o'clock, moving into the Holland area, maybe Kalamazoo. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, so rumbles of thunder while you're trying to sleep tonight, and then the severe weather really tapers off after about 4 a.m. and all of the showers will have diminished off to the south and east by the end of the morning, and then some late day sunshine here tomorrow. And then looking ahead to the weekend, we've got some scattered showers Wednesday night off to the south of Grand Rapids, but lots of sunshine on Thursday and Friday as well. We get into the weekend though, it's going to be a little bit cooler with lots of clouds during the day on Saturday, and models trying to indicate a couple of scattered light showers during the day on Sunday now as we head toward a cooler weather pattern. In terms of rainfall, if any one of those storms sits over your location for an hour or two, it could put down a quick inch of rain, especially in this area. Got one spot there in northeastern Ottawa County that has over an inch and a half. Looking ahead, this is the long range outlook. This is the end of the month. We have a high chance that it will be cooler than average for the month of June, but an equal chance in terms of precipitation. Forecast then for tomorrow, skies will become mostly cloudy, cooler and less humid. Mid-60s Hart and Ludington, mid and upper 60s from Muskegon southward. Up north, you can expect temperatures to be around 70 to the low 70s in Greenville under mostly cloudy skies. Northwest winds also here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Highs tomorrow in the low and mid 70s. That's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than today. 13 on your side forecast. After the weekend, we'll warm back up with showers and possible thunderstorms next Monday. That'll be the only humid day out of the next 10, and it will be the warmest. Sunshine Tuesday, afternoon and overnight storms on next Wednesday, and then some plain old rain coming in starting next weekend with highs in the low 70s.